A single feather, light as it is, can be a witness to a species' growth from the brink of extinction to a vibrant community. The Jingli Mountains, which bridge China's south and north, and known as the country's central water tower, is home to abundant rare animals and plants, and one of the most biodiverse regions on Earth. Every March and April, a large number of crested ibis babies break out of the shells and make their first cry in a husky but high-pitched tone. Known as the Oriental Gem, crested ibis has an important cultural status in East Asian countries because of its appearance and grace. Crested ibises are monogamous and typically produce only one egg a year, and low fertility rates once pushed the species to the brink of extinction. In April 1981, Chinese researchers found 7 wild-crested ibises in a ravine in Yangshan County, northwest China's Shanshi province. This wild species, then pronounced extinct by many experts, reached the inflection point of life. The 7 wild-crested ibises were properly protected in the Jingli Mountains, and their population have now grown to over 9,000 worldwide. The crested ibises, gradually emerging from the endangered status, are flying over the Jingli Mountains and moving north and east towards the traditional habitats in East Asia with constant expansion. To create a safer and more suitable living environment for crested ibises, the local government has stepped up efforts to protect wild animal and plants, benefiting other creatures of the ecosystem. The umbrella effect enables more wild species to live and reproduce in this ecological treasure house of the Jingli Mountains. From the endangered field to a growing community, the crested ibis witnesses not only a miracle of saving endangered wildlife, but also a vivid practice of harmonious coexistence between man and nature in Shanshi.